Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for choosing to check us out and welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back by. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed to Seasoned Beauties, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Well, our video on today, we are going to be unboxing our Allure beauty box, okay? And for those of you who are not familiar with Allure, they are the, as they say, the premier box on all things beauty, okay? Now, it is the Allure box subscription goes for $15 per month. However, there is a link below, and if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe using that link below. Your first box will be $10, and you will get a lovely welcome gift just for telling them I sent you. So let's just jump in and see what is in the 5 to 7 items that we receive each and every month. Now they have changed the look of it again. No more plastic envelopes. I kind of like them myself, but they're saying majority rules, and majority didn't want them anymore, so they are no longer included. So when we open up our box, the first thing that we do see is our little mini mag, and this says Best of Beauty Award winner, and this is full of promo codes and goodies and great information inside, as well as a description of each item that is included. So this month is actually awards season. All right, and it says the first item that we have is the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Dolce Vita. Okay, and this is the packaging. That is lovely. I think it's more along the lines of a pencil than, you know, a lipstick or, you know, that kind of thing. Well, this one is a beautiful shade, and you can use the sharpener to always keep it on point. Now our pamphlet says soft rounded tip like an extremely buttery crayon, applies smoothly, and the pigmentation factor is definitely impressive. It never leaves your lips cracked or cakey, and it's got serious staying power. The Dolce Vita shade, which is a very pinky, very pretty nude on my lips, lasted through snacking, and let's just try it out and see. Okay. I like it. However, I would be using a lip liner with this, but not bad. Okay. It's nice and smooth. It has kind of like a, I guess it kind of has like a, maybe a gum, maybe a chewing gum kind of scent to it, but it feels wonderful. It's very nourishing. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this item is $27, and you can purchase it at Sephora.com. Item number 2 is Baciate and it is the Dewy Stick. Okay. Oh, the packaging. The packaging is gorgeous. This is what the packaging looks like. Okay, and here is our item. And it is retractable. And let's just see what the pamphlet has to say about this. It says Ciate London Dewy Sticks Luminous Highlighting Balm in Gleam. That's our shade, Gleam. And it says this highlighter is clear and glitter free. So it gives you a lit from within look in the most natural way possible. It's also foolproof. Just tap it on your cheekbones to achieve a dewy sheen. You can use it on your eyelids too for all over radiance. Well, we're going to swatch it right here. Let's see, how about that? Oh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. Nice. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price on this item is $26. And we have a coupon code to get 20% off. And this is valid from September the 1st through November the 1st, 2019. Okay, I really do like this. That is really gorgeous. Okay, and this one is item number 2. And moving right along, the next item that we have is a set. This set is Perfect Smooth, and this is a color protectant, sulfate and paraben free shampoo and conditioner. These are a deluxe sample size. Okay, and our pamphlet says this duo won a Best of Beauty Award in 2018 for calming frizz on every texture. A year and change later, I'm still obsessed. Okay. It says it smooths fine, flyaway prone hair. All right. It says this is especially impressive given that they're powered by so many hydrating, shine boosting ingredients like argan, baobab, and maruga oils, and detangling and smoothing ceramides. Plus, the shampoo and conditioner are vegan and cruelty free, and the formula doesn't contain parabens or sulfates. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price $14 each, and they can be purchased on Amazon.com, Nature Lab, and we do have a coupon to get 15% off your order from now through the end of the year. And I'm going to try and show you this. I want you to see what the packaging actually looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? That is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and these are items 3 and 4. Okay, and we're going to move right along to the next item. Now, I am excited about this. I do have a granddaughter. I do have grandchildren that suffer with eczema. And so this next item is by La Roche-Posay. And it is an eczema soothing relief cream. This one I would have loved to have had in a full size because I know this is going to go very, very quickly. All right, now I'm reading comments from Jenny Bailey, Executive Beauty Director at Allure Beauty. Okay, and she says, my 5-year-old son has had eczema since he was 18 months old. And I've tried every fragrance-free cream and ointment to soothe it. This is the rare one that he'll actually let me slather on his entire body, morning and night. Really? Okay. This is interesting. It has helped to ease dry hands because you don't have to have eczema to love this stuff. It's intensely hydrating without being too heavy, so it makes for a great hand cream. I always use it on myself after lotioning up my son. Try it anywhere your skin gets dry this winter. Elbows, feet, even chapped cheeks. Okay, and the manufacturer suggested retail price is $14.99, and it can be purchased at larocheposay.us, and we also have a promo code for 20% off, which is good from now through November the 1st of this year. Okay? I'm excited about this one. I don't want to use it on me because I want to give it to my grandchildren. And we'll see how they respond. I'll let you know. And I will also let you know if it is an item that I will be repurchasing. Okay? That one is item number 5. Okay, and the last item in our box is from the company Allure, and it says, welcome to Skin Wellness. And this one is their Brightening Facial Scrub. Now, I have plenty of products by Allure, which I do love, especially their moisturizer, which has 30% sunscreen. Okay. Alrighty. Now, this says, most exfoliators are too harsh for sensitive skin. Okay, but this formula's superfine grit doesn't aggravate skin or make it red at all. It just makes it look and feel smoother. And it has the ingredient clay, which cleanses skin by pulling gunk out of the pores, walnut shell powder, which exfoliates without being abrasive, and aloe to help soothe. Its scent is really fresh and clean, and even though it's kind of shockingly black when it comes out of the tube, it rinses away easily. Now, the manufacturer's suggested retail price for the full-size item is $9.99 and can be purchased at Allure.com. And we also have a 25% off promo code, and it is good from now until November of this year. And it also says sea kelp and French green clay, and it's good for all skin types. And it does come with a seal on it. And I always love that. Okay, so those are the items that came in the September Allure Beauty Box. Okay. I'm very excited to let you know this is something that you should try. Now, even if you currently get the Allure Beauty Box through Amazon, I'm just saying, I would encourage you to try it based on my code below, not, just for my code. And I don't make any money or anything off of it. I do get a welcome gift every time you get a welcome gift. And when they are duplicates, I put them in a giveaway for my lovely subscribers. Now, the reason that I'm telling you that I think you should try it through my code, I have heard even if you don't try it through my code, in all honesty, just try it through the Allure site, because I've heard so many complaints from those of you who get the Allure Beauty Box through Amazon. You're not happy with the products that you get, and most times it's not even the same products that we get. So I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Let me know how you feel. Let me know if you're going to try it on its own, either with my link or just going to allurebeautybox.com, because you owe it to yourself. Now, by all means, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.